Do you have a favourite paintbrush? Would you be absolutely brokenhearted if it ended up looking like some kind of troll with a bad hair day? Of course you would. So in this video, I'm going to help you prolong the life of your brushes so that you can enjoy a long and happy life together. Remove all the excess paint from your paintbrush. That is hugely important. You don't want all that paint going down your sink. Get a rag, get a cloth, and just remove all that paint. Now, this is your paintbrush, obviously. This is the ferrule, and in here is the glue which binds the bristles to the brush. The very last thing you want to do is get water in here, because that's when you're going to have problems. Do not get paint in this little bit in here. Any dried paint down here is going to make those bristles splay out. So next, you wash your brush in soapy water. Use your thumb to try and remove any paint that is trapped at the ends here. Paint here is really going to ruin your brush, and it's going to make those bristles splay out, okay? So give it a good wash. Pop a little bit of washing up liquid on your hand. Give your brush, really get into the bristles, get those bristles really soapy, get a good lather going, and then back into the water. So rinse all that soap off. You want your brush nice and clean. Finally, give your brush a little dry again with your paper towel. And this is really important. When you're letting your brush dry, you want to get all the water out of here. You don't want the water trapped in here, because that will ruin your brush. So what you need to do, you can either get a peg, hang it upside down if you've got the space. What I like to do is angle the brush on my watercolours or something like that, and have it rest overnight. All the water will drain out. You want it at that angle. All the water is going to drain out onto the paper towel. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to accompany me on my artistic journey, then why not subscribe? Thank you very much, guys. Have a wonderful day, and whatever you do today, make some art.